In today's video, I want to show you a strategy that shows a bearish and bullish trend at the top and the bottom. For example, here it gives a buy signal, here gives short signal, here buy signal, short signal, and we need to filter this indicator with the second one. To find this amazing indicator, we go to the indicators tab and write here this and add it to our chart. Then we go to the settings, we adjust these settings as this, and in the style section we don't need to change anything else. As you see here, it gave a bullish trend signal and price started to go up from here, and I'll show you how can we catch these points and these points as well. Bearish trend signal and exactly the entry point where we can enter this trade, and price went down. Again here price goes up, price goes down, and the last signal was this. The name of the second indicator is RSI, Relative Strength Index. We add this indicator to our chart and we see this kind of indicator at the bottom of the chart. We use these settings as a default and not need to change any settings. Okay, let's see how we get a signal from this indicator. As you see, the first indicator gave us a bullish trend signal, but we shouldn't enter from here. It would be a wrong entry, so we have to wait this RSI indicator to go below the 50 level and come back cross with this 50 level again. I mean, this purple line goes below this 50 line. Let's see. Yeah, after this crossing it goes back again, crosses with this 50 line and gives us a bullish signal. We enter this trade from here, and where we need to set our stop loss is below this signal and set our stop loss as 1 to 1.5. Let's see if it's correct or not. As you see here, it was the successful trade. Let's see the next in a row. We are waiting for the next signal and there is no any signal else from this. But we could here trail our stop loss. As price continues, we could set our stop loss, trail it to the entry point and wait for the high risk reward ratios. As you see here, it gave here short signal, but again we don't need to enter this trade at this point. We have to wait this RSI purple line to come above this 50 line and cross with the 50 again. Let's see, it went above this 50 line, and when it crosses with this 50 line again, I would take a trade like this. I put here short position and put my stop loss above this short label and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5, and we can trail our stop loss again. It is successful position as well, but we could set our take profit as 3 risk reward ratio and put our stop loss to our entry point and wait for 3 risk reward ratio. We are waiting for the next signal. As price continues and gives us this kind of trades, again we can enter like this. Price goes down, purple line goes below this 50 line, and then gives us a trades from here as well, from here as well. We got a buy position here. As you see, we can see here buy label, and price goes below this 50 line, and when it goes back we could see it. We are waiting for this purple line crosses with 50 line. It crosses. I put here long position. I put my stop loss below this label and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Price continues to go up. It's successful trade as well, and again it gives us trade opportunities, but don't need to enter these kind of trades again. Bearish label seems again. Purple line crosses with this 50 line. I take here short position. I put my entry point in this point. I set my stop loss above this label and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5. Then let's see the result. It is successful trade as well. Price continues to down. Let's see if it will give again a trade opportunity or not. As you see here, buy label again seems to us, and we are waiting for this purple line, comes below this 50 line, again crosses with this, put my long position here, set my stop loss below this label and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5. Let's see the result. As you see, it stopped position. Now we have 4 successful and 1 unsuccessful trade. Let's continue. We got here short label and wait for this purple line comes above this 50 line and crosses with it again. It didn't give us a trade for now. We see that we received a signal. I put my short position and set my stop loss above this label and make risk reward ratio 1 to 1.5. Price continues to down, but we changed our trade, closed here and got here buy label. So I'm waiting for long position. It gives us a signal in this point. So I take in this candle buy position, set my stop loss below this label and make risk reward ratio 1 to 1.5. Let's continue to see the result. It's a successful position as well. Let's see the signal in a row. As you see here, sell signal received and waiting for this RSI level to come 50. And in this candle we see that there's no crosses, waiting for the next candle. There's a cross here. I put my short position here. This distance is so high, so I put my stop loss above this red line and make risk reward ratio 1 to 1.5 and waiting for the result. It's successful position as well. There is no any trade from now on. How much trades we have taken and how much of them was successful. As you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 successful position, just 1 unsuccessful trade. It was break even. There's just 1 stopped position. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Good luck in your trading. See you again in the next video.